Okay, I'm recording this so that you guys can see me trade live. I told you guys I'm gonna start showing you how I actually trade the futures market, and you can see that. Okay, I'm recording this so that you guys can see me trade live. Okay, it's double recording. All right, so you guys are looking at this live as I'm trading the futures market. You already see I'm up a G stack on this particular account with Take Profit Trader. And so let me make this bigger so you guys can see how simple futures market is. And this is an indicator that will be available to the people who, if we launch this program, it's going to be solely just to our group so that you guys can see it. But I've told you, I'm just going to start recording live trades. This is the Asian session, which really I don't trade the Asian session. I like trading the New York session, but you can see the indicator telling me this is the Asian session. It prints out the breakout box for me. Once price crosses below that line, you just hop right on in. That's it. Okay, just hop right in. Okay, so if I was to draw some lines from where the box originally started, and I won't give you the settings and all that kind of stuff, because guess what? You got to be part of the group. Once you become part of the group, then you'll go from there. Okay, so there's one line. Okay, so if we was just to make the line show up right there and move to take profit to right there. So if it would have broke above this line, this would have been my TP. It's breaking below this line, so I'm making this my TP. All right, and we can see it better from the 5-minute time frame. So again, let me hide my drawings. Okay, and once I hide my drawings, you can basically see the breakout. Okay, and this is the arrow that came in, and it tells you, hey, the breakout has happened. Once the breakout happens, okay, you just hop right in, and then you see my take profit is a little bit above here. I'm gonna actually close this out. Again, I'm not a big Asian fan trader, but hey, money is money. I'll take it. But as you can see how I broke out below there and broke out above, and it's very automatic. So you don't have to worry about it. You just wait for the break and hop right into the trade. Okay, and that's on ES. So I'm up a G stack. I'm going to go ahead and close it out right here. It could go all the way down, but I ain't tripping. I want to relax and get ready for the New York session. Okay, so I'm up. Let's say 1100. Let's say if it goes to 11 again. All right, so we have $15 away, so it's just teeter-tottering around there. Let's see. Let's just go for the G stack. $1,000. I'll take a G stack. That's it. Okay. I could wait for it to go all the way down, but again, it's just a slow session, so it's not a lot of volume. But you see how simple it was? It just simply broke below the red line or the green. And again, in this indicator, you can actually go in here and choose what sessions you want, what times you want it to show up. You can also choose the colors. Okay, so for me, I chose for my take profit, if it goes to the upside, I chose it as blue. But watch, I'll switch this to white, and you'll see, there you go. Okay, so and that's how easy it is. It's really just as simple. It's very easy, very customizable. You can add the Sydney session, you can do the Asian session, the London session. You can pick what time frame you want your boxes. There's a lot of different things in here that you can do. And this will again be made readily available to our members if we launch this particular program. But again, if you watch my Sunday video, which I did this morning, I told you guys that I'm going to show you how simple it is to be trading the way we trade futures. You don't need all this technical stuff. You don't need to overthink it. It's some of the fastest, easiest, and simplest money. In fact, I also did a breakout strategy on gold. And so, for our gold members, I know that Golden Boy does things and other people does things, whatever. But the bottom line is there was a simple trade that was sent out for you guys on gold using this exact same strategy. It was very quick money. It took less than 30 seconds to make some money for you guys. And I posted that up so everybody can see exactly what it is. So now you just seen me make a G stack. I was actually watching Lifetime with Nancy on the couch, showing her what it is, how it works. And she said, oh, and she doesn't even trade. And she said, oh, if it's that simple, I want to do it myself. So yeah, see how the candle is retracing back up now. And so it'll meander its way. I just don't feel like I don't have the patience. I want to watch my movie with my wife. So, I could move my stop loss up and down and all that kind of stuff. I can do all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So the bottom line is I'm just doing this live and it's streaming to YouTube, because the only reason I'm streaming to new YouTube, I know it's because I will need it to be recorded there. And then I'll take this link and I'll share it out to you guys. But again, you just seen me close out a G stack. Watch this. This is how easy our system is. Okay. And again, if you want to use it, if we do launch this, it's still in concept form. But again, you can go to the London session, New York session, check the box. And as soon as that session opens, you dictate what time frame you want it to do its thing, and then you simply do the breakout. So you just see me make a G stack. And what I like about it is because I've been doing this, but I was doing it manually, and I would just simply draw in my lines and say, okay, here's the high of the particular candle I want, here's the low. Okay, and that's how I would do it. In the moment it would break out, and let me make this red because that's what I would normally do. I say, okay, if it breaks out to the downside, here's the red box, which would be my target. If it breaks to the upside, this would be the green target. And that's how I was always doing it, quietly behind the scenes. But, now that this new system is in place, you don't even have to do that because, again, there it is. It's already done for you. Okay. So what else do I need to say about that? Oh, what I like about it also, I used to manually mark up my charts, but with this one, see how it prints it automatically at any one you go to. It goes YAM. Some people, they call it YM, which is for the US 30 session. It's for the US, the indices, it's for the US 30 or the Dow US 30. Let me rephrase it, the Dow US 30. So that's what it was. This is the yam. I call it yam, because I'm black. I like yams. I can say that because I'm black. But for yams, so I call this yam. Okay, so for yam, I click on there. The box is already there. See, take a look at the New York session. Had you had this, look at how much money you would have made on the New York session. You would have made a crap load of money because look at the breakout box. Look, here's the green. It went into the opening session of the New York, and look, the first candle that closes, you simply hop in. Look at the target. Boom, you hit the target. You were already done. But if you want to have a runner, look at how much money you would have made. This is the New York session, the one I trade. I don't like really trading the Asian session. But again, you just see me close out $1,000 on the Asian session. I'll take the money if you want to give it to me. You come outside that box, bow, I'm gonna bop you up in your mouth. You want to give me the money? I'll give you money while I'm sitting on the couch watching a Lifetime movie with Nancy, which I'm missing this movie. It's actually a good movie called the Wife Chaser or whatever. It's a good movie. But anyway, let me get back focused. All right, so let's click and y'all will see this. Okay, here was for the New York session on Friday. Look at that. Broke out the box, hit target, money made. Okay. Let's look at another one. And by the way, if you want to see a person who I actually learned trading from, and I was in his group for a very long time, and a lot of you guys may know him already. There was a couple of them. Patrick Whelan is one of them, but the main one was Mamba FX. You can check him out. And that's why I was learning how to trade futures. I just never said anything to anybody because I'm learning to keep my mouth shut. I really want to deal with people who's going to appreciate what we have to offer. So, I was quietly learning how to trade the futures market. And so therefore I was learning his style. So go watch his videos and you'll see he has to manually mark up his stuff and he's hopping in and jumping. He's a multimillionaire in his 20s. So I'm proud of that. But we did something better than what he did to make it so this, if I was to say a trading system to call it super easy, this would actually be it. This would be it because anybody can see this with their blind. I mean, you only need one eye to see this. If it comes across the lower line, you click the sell button. Once it's done, you're done with the trade. And by the way, how do you get out of a trade? You don't have to put, unless you're dealing with a prop firm or broker that wants you to use stop losses. All you do, if you were to click a sell, okay, if it crosses the line, you click the sell. When it hits this target, you click the buy button, which is the opposite direction, and it closes the trade out. If it crosses above the green, you're going to hit the buy button. Once it hit the white line, you hit the sell button, and you're out. So you hit the opposite button to get out of a trade if you're sitting there watching it. So you don't have to put stop losses and take profits in place. See? Stupid simple. I was telling my son, they was wondering, why did I buy a new laptop for my other car? Because everywhere I go, regardless of what car I'm in, I need to make sure there's a laptop in there so that if I see a setup, I can take it. Now, keep in mind with TradingView, which is different from all the other platforms. That's why MetaTrader's having issues, but they have in DXTrade, TradeLocker, and MatchTrader. They're kind of mimicking TradingView. Okay, you can actually have this set up on your desktop, and once you log into your mobile device, it will still have the exact same setup. So I don't really need a laptop at all. I just like looking at it from a laptop perspective. So I got a brand new touchscreen laptop. Well, it's not new. I didn't know that Amazon has a refurb store. So I got a Dell laptop, touchscreen laptop, flips over into a tablet and flips back into a laptop. And I got the thing for $99. So, hey, I was at the mall the other day, trade set up, and I was getting some jewelry fixed. They said, hey, it's going to be an hour. All of a sudden, I looked on my phone. I said, oh, my goodness, here's a setup. Again, I could have took it from my phone, but I like the view of it from the laptop. So I ran to my car. I turned on my phone as the hotspot, flipped my laptop open, took the trade, closed it back, put it back in the trunk of my car, and I went back into the mall. See what I'm saying? So you can do it from your phone or whatever. It doesn't really matter. But the point is, let me finish this up and get back out so I can watch the movie. This is actually what happened on Friday. Friday, price action broke below, and I'm not sharing my way of trading until if we do launch this, you're going to have to join our service, and then you can actually, and we're not going to be doing no copy trading, and we're not going to be doing this and that. We're not going to have all these Telegram channels. You'll be able to jump in live with us, watch us trade alongside with us using the same tool. And then you're in, you're out, you're done. Simple as that. We want to keep everything simple, everything. Okay. So the bottom line is on Friday, when the market was open, let me expand this so you can see this. Okay. Anybody, this is kid friendly. This is generational wealth, literally generational wealth here. Because as you can clearly see, when the candle had closed, see how this one wicked and then it closed back in there. You don't want to do that. You want to simply wait for a candle to actually close to the outside of the box. Once the candle closed, hop in the trade. Now look at this. The next candle tried to retrace and it closed in the box, but then guess what? It was just a little fake out. And look at this. Massive amounts of money came in. But here's the point. You could have got in right here and you were in and you were out. So as soon as this candle closed, wait, how many more candles? 1, 2, the third candle. Within 15 minutes, 15 minutes and you're done for the day. Come on, baby. This is hot right here. And that's what I said, man, I just started working on things behind the scenes. I don't even want to talk to people because sometimes you be trying to work on things and you got all these naysayers and this, don't do your thing. So anyway, y'all seen me. Look, see why I took my money? Y'all see exactly why I took my money. So you see the candle closed, the next one came, it dropped right here, gave me my G stack. I just recorded it. Just recorded. That's why I don't need it to come all the way down because typically the Asian session is a consolidatory time frame. In other words, the market, it would move just a little bit. So it's best to just scalp it. A New York session has a lot of volume because you're trading a New York product. Okay. The NQ, the ES, and the YAM, I call it YAM, okay, YM, which stands for the US 30, ES stands for the S&P 500, and NQ stands for the NASDAQ, okay? Those three are US stock product, okay? Don't forget that. That's for the US. So you're going to get the bulk of the volume during the US session. Okay. The Asian session to give you a little bit, so don't be greedy if you are going to do this. Same with London. It is not owned by any of those countries. So the most you're going to get with the quick hitters is going to be during the New York session. However, if you're going to cross that line, I'm going to sock you in your mouth and get a little dip up off that thing. And as you guys saw, I got a G stack pretty quickly. Okay. And I don't show the history. Well, you can see it right here, $965. I started this prop firm account with 150K and I just made $965 just in minutes. And now I'm done. Now I'm going back out and go watch. Okay, so anyway, I'll do more videos. I'll probably record another one tomorrow during the New York session so you guys can kind of see how I've been doing things behind the scenes. So this is in addition. In addition to the gold trader, which we had a scalp trade on gold, won money within 30 seconds tonight. This is in addition to the copycat for the Forex market, which I'll be putting out more trades. Me personally, I did about 7 trades last week. One went to break even. One was only minus 13 pips, and the others were nice, pretty hitters, 40 and 50 pips each. So I'm gonna keep trading the Forex market too. I'm getting money wherever it is, but I'm just showing you guys this is just stupid simple. Cross the line here, buy, hit the target. Cross the line here, close, look at that. Within 10, 15 minutes, I was already done on Friday. And I just walked away. I ain't had nothing to say. I ain't saying nothing to nobody. I'm gonna get mine and keep it moving. Okay? So here's the Asian session. Again, I got in, got a little bit. I didn't even wait for this. And just imagine if this target, and I'm gonna say this and end this recording. Just imagine, okay, y'all seen me make basically $1,000 on just 1 or 2 candles. Imagine if it would have already went all the way to target. You see how easy it is to pass prop firm in futures? So stupid easy. It's stupid easy. Stupid easy. Okay? Because look at this. I made a 965, and let's look at this again. This is a brand new prop firm account from Take Profit Trader. And look, I made 965, and the candles didn't even reach nowhere near goal. It did not even reach the goal. So you can see right here, I made that off of just 2 candles. Imagine if it would have hit target like it did on Friday. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Futures is stupid easy money. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna end this recording. By the way, we do have some people watching me. I didn't. Hey, Derek. Hey, Roland, and Terrence and Jazz. Yeah, and I see that there's about 21 people in here watching. I didn't know. Hi, guys. Hi, y'all. Hi, y'all. Hi. And the membership is, if we launch this, I was talking with Miss Jenny because she's going to be partnering with me on this project. If we do it, it's going to be very, very reasonably priced so that anybody can come in and you'll be able to trade around 3 days a week with us, and that's more than enough to make a big, nice profit on it. Just to follow along with us, and just 3 days a week. Just imagine, I just made a G stack. Just 965, just rounded up to a G stack, guys. Okay, so I just did that while sitting on the couch in a matter of what? How many candles is this? Y'all looking at it, okay? This is why I'm doing this live. I don't want no bull crap. Okay, candle came out. Okay, next candle came back up, tried to come back in the box and then drop. That's only about 10 minutes or so. I made a G stack in about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, and I'm already done for the evening. Then I wait for the New York session, and I'm gonna rinse and repeat. And all I have to do is do this. Wait for it to drop, either break through the top of this box or break through the bottom. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything magical. So you can actually teach this to your kids and have your kids join. You can have any grandma can do this. This is super easy. Okay. All right, you guys. So I'm going back out on my date. Me personally, I think the market is actually going to be net setting up to drop. For this evening now. So for an example, let me do one more. All right. So this is the NQ. It's kind of like if you're going to, and here's what I like about the futures. And I was sharing this with my son because he's going to be doing this. And I was telling him, son, you got to do this. You got to do this. So if you're using like this, NQ stands for the NASDAQ. All right. So you see, you also have what's called a MNQ. What does that actually mean? MNQ is like using NQ. It's like trading using a standard lot. So in the regular Forex market, you have one symbol. So if you're trading Euro USD, you have to choose whether you're using a standard lot or if you're using a micro lots, okay, 0.10 lot size. That's how you have to do it. And some people make a mistake and say, oh my God, I didn't mean to trade with a standard lot. With the futures market, they make it impossible for that mistake to be happening because in order for you to trade with a micro lot, you have to use the M in front. Okay, so what you saw me do is use and I only use one mini, what they call mini lots, or I just traded one in contract or NQ, and within 10, 15 minutes, I'm at a G stack. Now I'm going to take another trade. See how it's still red? See, I told y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the MNQ, which is like using micro lots. Okay, so I'm going to take, watch this, 4. And I'm going to hit the sell button. Why? Because it's still selling. Okay. And look, I'm already hitting there. all right, because I'm below. I'm going to right click on here and put my stop loss right above this level here. And it's opposite. So I'm putting a what they call a buy stop. Buy stop. So that means if it starts buying up in this direction and it stops by here, go ahead and take me out to trade. I'm good. Now, what does this actually mean? By me using the M in Q, it's like using 0.40 lot size. If I use this in Q, I'm using a standard lot size. So that's how you compare them to the Forex market. Okay. Everybody get me? And I see that we have more people. I didn't know we got 33 people watch. I really was trying to do this so I can just have it recorded for record purposes. I didn't know that people were actually going to watch, but y'all getting it, okay? So our bottom line is, I've got this set up here above this level, okay? Because this is where I seen that it was consolidating. I can even put it right here, right above here, okay? Right above this candle right here. Because if you start coming back in the box, just go ahead and get me out. I don't want to be in the trade. But let's leave it right here. And if it goes down, I'm going to right click here and say, okay, if you drop down to this level, I'm by limit. This is called a limit order. And they call it a limit order because, hey, if it's a limit, if you drop down here, get me out at this price, okay? But if you go back into the box, then take me out at this price. I've already made $1,000, so this is nothing for me to play with now. I'm just playing with house money. You get what I'm saying? It's too easy. It is stupid easy. I'm telling you guys, it is stupid easy. This is like Mamba FX has said, who taught me how to do it. I was trading in his room for a long time with him and Cowboy. And, he just put out a video where he said he made $120,000 live. Go watch it on YouTube. $120,000 live. And the video before that, I think he did 30 or 40,000. And he said, I don't even know who made this legal. This really, this is I have no desire to go to Las Vegas. I mean, I'll go to Las Vegas to hang out, but I don't have any desire to go gambling in Las Vegas. This is one of the easiest places to go gambling. Okay, easy. This is just too easy. Oh my God, it's too easy. Just simple. Okay. So the bottom line is I'm already set. So I'm gonna let this trade ride. Like I said, I got my stop. So right here, buy stop, which means I'm in a sell position. So the stop, they call it a buy stop. So that means like at a bus stop, if you come back up, stopping by here, if you buy, go ahead and stop and get me out right here. Okay. And right now, like I said, I already closed out $925 in profit in 10 minutes. So at this point, I don't really care. I'm playing with house money. And since I'm using 0.40 micro lot size, no matter what happened, even if I get stopped out, I'm still going to be in profit. So I'm just playing with house money just for demonstration purposes, actually for you guys. Because truth be told, I'll close this out. I'm already done trading for this evening. I made $1,000. I'm good. And I'll just wait for the New York session because that's when the volume is going to come in and it'll automatically push real hard one way or another. I really don't trade the Asian session. This is really for y'all. Okay. So since it's still below the line, I'm already set. I'm done for the evening. Okay. So anyway, this is just I did the video this morning. Again, if you guys watch my Sunday video with the setups that I'm looking at in the Forex market, I also told you that I'm going to be showing you guys a few demonstrations, a couple of times just to show you what I've been working on in the Forex market. And now I'm joining up and me and Miss Jenny are partnering up. We had a meeting and we're going to partner up on and brainstorm on whether to see how I was in drawdown and now I'm back in profit. Now, if this was the New York session, chances are minimal. I'm telling you, in the New York session, it happens so fast, there's very little drawdown. Okay. But look, I'm already up $18, $22. You guys are seeing it live on camera. All right. So watch this. I'm going to go ahead and just close out, take my money, and I'm done. All right. So now watch. I started this account with a 150K account because this is a prop firm account, 150K, okay, with Take Profit Trader. And now you can see I made $975, okay? I made nine something at first, 950 bucks, something like that. No, 965 at first in 10 minutes. And now I just made a couple of more bucks in front of you guys. Now, can I wait and hold this longer until it hit TP? I could. I don't want to. I'm done for today. This just happened in front of you again. It just happened in front of you. So if we do launch this program, I only want serious people. The kind of things that we've been dealing with the copycat, I promise you, I will get rid of people so fast it's not even funny. I don't want to have no noise, no foolishness. I don't want to have any of this because I only want mature people who's going to come in here and trade alongside with us and make this money so you can change your life in minutes. But if we have foolishness, I'm telling you, I don't want to do it. I really don't. I really don't. So if you are interested in it, let me know. Leave me a comment in the video. And on Wednesday's class, I may do another trade during Wednesday's class. I don't know. I have to teach Forex during a lot of time. Let me say this real quick for those who's watching. Okay, we got about 30, 40 people watching, and I didn't expect anybody to watch. I just needed this to be recorded on YouTube. Now we got 43 people. It's climbing. Let me say this. A lot of those times when y'all saw me trading, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. A lot of those Wednesday classes when I kept telling you, hold on, y'all, hold on, y'all, I got to take care of something. Now you see what I was actually doing. This is actually the New York session. Look how fast it moves. Look how fast it'll hit your TP. See, this is the Asian session. Asian session is so slow. There's no volume in it. That's why I'm just taking what I can get and get out because I already know. Don't be greedy because it's not the New York session. You're trading New York products and you should be trading them during the New York session. Now, I'm not saying don't grab what you can't see. Grab them like I just said. Take what you can. But the main volume where the money is going to move so fast. Again, watch Mamba FX, who trained me on how to do this. You'll see he does the same thing every single day, but we developed something better than what he has. So if he made millions of dollars doing exactly what I just showed you, can you imagine how much money you're all gonna make? And that's why I only want serious people. If I start seeing foolishness, man, we gone. Me and Jenny, we make this money by ourselves. I ain't dealing with it. I'm serious. I am so serious. Mamba FX, he did the same thing. He used to have an open to the public and tried to do it. Now you got to pay him like $3,000 or $4,000 for private lessons. Because why? He's like, man, look, I make so much money. I don't need that foolishness. He won't put up with it. And neither am I. I'm not putting up with it. I want serious people who are gonna come in here and say, Uncle P, Miss Jenny, I want to be a part of this because I do want to make family legacy money. Okay. Dead serious. I just want dead serious people if we do this. Again, it's not finally decided, but if we do this, I want dead serious people. And number two, I want people who appreciate what we're doing by spreading the word, because that's the other thing, man. We work hard behind the scenes and people don't never say nothing to their friends, family, or nothing. So again, if we're helping you to make this money, help us out by spreading the word. Okay. Kenneth said he's interested. Liz, hey Liz, I didn't know you was. Hey Liz, hey, hi Monica and hi Jazz and Shawnee and Derek and whoever else is watching because we got like 48 people. It's constantly climbing. God Almighty, thank you Jesus. I didn't anticipate nobody watching. I really was streaming this. Oh, we got 50 people and it's climbing. So hey Soldier Pete, what's up, bro? So anyway, like I said, man, I really wasn't even trying to stream to people. I was just doing this so I can actually, what I like to do now, I'll record from my computer, but stream it to YouTube because YouTube preserves the link. And it's better to do it that way than trying to save it through Zoom because Zoom sometimes don't save it right. That's hey, Darrell, well, praise God. How y'all? Hello there. All these y'all wonderful people. I love y'all, man. So this is what it will be like if we actually do this. You'll be in here with us, looking right at the charts, analyzing it with us. And if you want to take a trade, you're responsible for the trade. That's the other thing we're looking at. Because again, every little pullback, every little drawdown, every little this and that is whining. I don't want none of that foolishness. We're going to be streaming. If we do this, we're going to do it probably about 3 times a week. And if we do it, you guys will choose on your own whether to take the trade or not. We're going to be live and I'll be doing exactly what I'm showing you now. See how that arrow came in? See, it's so dummy proof. How can you not? The arrow point and says, and see, and it has an alert. So the arrow came in and said, hey, there was a break to the what? Downside. That's why you have a down arrow. Now we got 54 people. Hey, people. All right. Cyrax, hey, I like that name, man. That is a cool name, Cyrax. I like that name, bro, or lady, whoever you are. Cyrax, that's a clean name. I like that. That's pretty hot. Okay. So anyway, The arrow came in telling you, hey, there's a break to the downside. See that candle close? Let me make it bigger so y'all can see this. I mean, it's right there. How, it's right there. And the other thing about the futures market, it's already regulated. We got 57 people and the numbers are climbing. Hi, 57 people. Hi, you guys. Praise God. Here's the deal. It's already regulated. So the other thing you don't have to worry about is dealing with foreign brokers who may be trying to rip you off, because that's a big issue in the Forex market. So it's kind of like everything you have to worry about in the Forex market, you really don't have to worry about in the futures market. Get what I'm saying? Now, will I still trade futures and Forex? Absolutely. I'm going to take the money everywhere you going to give me. I ain't turning down no money. I'm get it all. Socks and draws, socks and draws. Lamarion, hey, what's up? Jonathan, what's happening? What's happening, people? Y'all some good people. Tiffany, Tiff. Okay. Hey, what's happening? What I'm hoping for, man, I was talking with Miss Jenny about this, guys. We were hoping that we would have around 3 or 4 thousand people who's tuned in, and we can really help families across the globe. Because I'm telling you, people are losing their jobs, businesses are going down, and you'll be able to stream live. When you see a break, you see us entering trades, and and Jenny's a lot more detailed than me. I'm just simple. I'm a simple dude, man. Hey, I'm hopping in this trade right here. Y'all see me make some money. You see what I'm saying? And for those who just tuned in, let me show you. All right, so I just literally started this new account with 150K balance with Take Profit Trader. Okay. And as you can see, this is what I just did this evening. Those who tuned in a little bit earlier, you seen the trade as it was running, and I had made 900 and something dollars. Then I did another little quickie just to show them how to do the difference between a standard lot and a mini lot. Just like in Forex, you have a standard lots and you have mini lots. The difference here with futures is this is the normal standard lot symbol, and then you have a separate symbol for mini lots. So you can't make the mistake of saying, oh my God, I went for a standard lot and I meant to go 0.10. You can't even make that mistake because you have to trade with the M's, the one same symbol, see, NQ, MNQ, which means miniature lot size. Normal lot size, standard lots, miniature lots. ES, that's the S&P 500. Here, M is the miniature lots. Okay, let me turn my light on. Y'all got me in the dark, fooling around. This was supposed to be a 2 or 3 minute thing. All right, so looking spooky. Ooh, in the dark. So do you see that? Okay, so here's YM. YM stands for the US 30. I call it YAM because I'm black. I like yams. Okay, so YAM, and then you get YMYM, okay, which just means mini lots. Standard lot, mini lot, okay? It's separated. Here's gold, GC. So if I wanted to trade gold, look at this. See that? It drew the box, Asian session box, okay? Right there. If it does a breakout to the ups above here, you'll get a buy arrow right here that says, or arrow pointing saying, hey, it broke above this line. But we don't have one. Why? Asian session is just consolidating. All right. But now let's look at the New York session. Okay. Right here, it came to the top, it broke it, and look what happened. Here it is, Friday. This happened Friday. Watch this. Market open, candle broke, you got your arrow. It said, hey, get in, get in, get in. Look at what it did. Immediately, within minutes, how many candles? One, two, third candle. Third candle hit target. You see that? This is Friday. Third candle hit target, and you're already done. Then you wait and look. The next one came in, and it hung around, and there you go. So you got a couple of pips halfway, and then it just hovered, and it stopped. Why? Because the market started slowing down, just doing nothing. So at least the first trade, which is what I target, I don't get greedy, keep popping in and out all the time. I don't do that. After it hits my first target, I'm already done. Okay. I don't go back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Because that means consolidation. So look at this. This is gold on Friday. Look at the arrow, and I'm lining it up. First break. You got in, it did a pullback, and then immediately shot up by the third candle after the first entry candle. 1, 2, 3. Look at what it did. Literally touched on your take profit. Let me make it bigger. Literally. Look at that. You can't make this up. And look at what it tells you. It even tells you the session you're trading, so you don't mix them up if you want to do back testing. Right there. New York session. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Touched, and you were done for today. Love it. Now, one more thing. So that's standard lot trading with gold. Watch me type this in. MGC. See what they say right here? Micro gold. That's equivalent to you using a 0.01 or a 0.10 lot size in Forex. So if you want to use a standard lot, you use the GC. If you want to use a mini lot, like in Forex, 0.10 lot size, then you use the MGC. So you can never mix them up and you can sort them out. So you just drag and drop. So all of my big lot size standard lots are up here and all of my mini lots are down here. And what I typically will do, I will start off like on Friday. If I think it's just going to keep on running, let me go back to NQ. If I think that it's going to keep on running, which it did, this is Asian session. Let me go back. New York. Here's New York. See how the volume is big difference. So right here, I would enter with a standard lot using MQ, and then I'll quickly click here to the micro lots, and I'll add in 4 or 2 more. Why? Because when it hits the first target, I want my standard lot to go ahead, hit my take profit, I'm out. Are y'all with me? Are y'all with me? Type a yes if y'all with me real quick, because I'm missing my movie with my wife. I didn't even expect people to be here. But do y'all understand what I just said? Okay. I don't know if y'all hearing me or not, if it's still streaming or not, but because I see about 50 people still in here. But either way it goes. Okay. Bottom line is, I will just look this for recording anyway. Oh, okay, it's delayed. All right, I see y'all. All right, so bottom line is right here, I will use my standard lot in Q, which I did. And as soon as it hit my take profit, my mini lots or 0.10 lot size, and I have 4 of them. So that's 40.40 in Forex money, 0.40. And those are the ones that are still running, and I still would have made profit. And that's how you keep your runners during the New York session. So as you can see here, look, this is the Asian session. And look what happened. If I would have left a runner, see how it's still making money? It's still making money. So I could have left a runner, which by the way, let me just do that. I'm gonna do 0.01 lot size or 0.10 lot size. And I'm gonna hit that. And now you see I'm in the trade and I'm gonna put my stop right here. And I'm gonna do a buy stop in the opposite direction. I'm in the sell, so I'm using a buy stop. And look, I'm already in profit right in front of you guys, right in front. This is happening right in front of you. And I'm gonna put my take profit right here. So I'm gonna put a buy limit. They call them limits here. Look at this. I'm at $14. If I was using a standard lot, this would be about 40, 50, or maybe $60 already if I was using standard. But you see how it's still running down in profit. I'm still making money. That's it. I'm done. That's the breakout. Simple. Simple and easy. Oh my God, I should have left my standard on. Oh my God, that would have been about $200 on the standard right now. I might have to change. Oh, I would have been up 23, $230 more with a standard, but I'm using one 0.10 lot size with the M's. And you see, I'm already making money. And see, I can leave this running because, low risk. All right, let's see. See, I'm making more money. Look at that. Look, $5 away from 1,000. Let's see if we get that. I need $6, $8, $4. There's 1,000. See, I've just made 1,000. This is cool. I love it. All right, you guys, that's enough. Have a good night. I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much.